Hey crypto enthusiasts! Have you ever dipped your toes into the world of buying Bitcoin or Ethereum on Newton? Maybe you've been impressed by their sleek interface, easy-to-use platform, and, let's be honest, their claim of zero trading commissions. But with all that free action, a burning question pops into your head: how exactly does Newton make money? It's a fair question. In the wild west of cryptocurrency exchanges, fees can be a real thorn in your side. Some platforms hit you with hefty commissions, others sneak in hidden charges, and some make you navigate a confusing web of withdrawal and deposit fees. So, Newton's no-commission approach is definitely intriguing. Now, before you jump to conclusions and think Newton's some kind of crypto Robin Hood, there's more to the story. While they may not charge explicit commissions, there's a clever trick up their sleeve, a strategy so smooth, you might not even realize it's happening. That strategy is called the bid-ask spread. It's a financial term that might sound intimidating, but fear not, crypto warriors. We're about to break it down Barney style. Imagine you're at a fancy auction house, eyeing a rare painting. The auctioneer announces the bid price, the highest amount someone is currently willing to pay. Then, there's the ask price, the lowest amount the seller is willing to accept. The difference between those two prices? That's the magic we call the spread. Newton applies the same logic to cryptocurrency. When you buy Bitcoin on their platform, they aren't actually pulling it out of thin air. They're acting as a middleman, buying Bitcoin at a slightly lower price, the bid price, and then selling it to you at a slightly higher price, the ask price. That tiny difference between those two prices is where Newton pockets its profit. Think of it like this: you walk into a store to buy a loaf of bread. The store didn't bake that bread for free, right? They bought it at wholesale for a lower price and then marked it up a bit for you, the customer. It's a fair system, and Newton operates on the same basic principle. Now, the key here is transparency. Shady crypto exchanges might have a huge spread, meaning the difference between the buy and sell price is massive. This can eat into your profits without you even realizing it. But Newton prides itself on having a tight spread, meaning the difference is minimal. They even claim their spread is 2 to 3 times lower than other Canadian crypto platforms. So, is the Newton approach a bad deal? Not necessarily. By avoiding explicit commissions, they keep things simple and user-friendly. Plus, their tight spread ensures you're not getting ripped off on hidden fees. It's just a different way of doing business, and as long as you're aware of the bid-ask spread, you can make informed decisions about your crypto purchases. Here's the takeaway: don't be afraid of the no-commission label. Just do your research, understand the bid-ask spread, and compare prices across different platforms. Ultimately, the best crypto exchange is the one that fits your needs and keeps your hard-earned cash flowing towards your crypto dreams. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy crypto trading.